One of the most common questions when sharing a Google Doc is about how the end user can edit or download the content in question. You then explain that they first need to make a copy, something they didn't know, of the document, and then go to their own Google Docs account in order to start work on it. So I'm going to show you a quick way to make it so that the first thing they see is a make a copy window before they even view your documents that are being shared by you. This saves a lot of support requests, I've found. So when setting your document, whatever it is, to your clients, select the general access to anyone with a link. So we'll do that. You go on to File, Share, Share with others. Anyone with the link and Viewer. Copy the link. When you click on it, a link is created. I'll show you what that link looks like. Now, what I'm going to do is copy that so you can see clearly what I'm doing. At the moment, the way that doc link is created, it will take you the old-fashioned way, if you like this. And you can't edit it. You can click on it and you can't do it. That's useless to your client. So let's try the new way. Copy the link, and where it says edit, change it to copy. And that's all you do. So that's how it was. This is how it is now. And the difference is the copy in place of edit. The first thing you see is copy document. So your client sees this. There's no need to get in touch with the support. How do I do it? It says copy document, make a copy. There's no other thing to do. There's no choice. So they click on make a copy and then they can edit the document and do whatever they want with it. And that really does reduce support calls for this. Just a quickie thing, but it makes a lot of difference, especially if you're working with very beginners online with their business.